Hi Scorpios, welcome to 777 Cosmic Tarot. This is your love and general reading. This reading is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody having Scorpio in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be a cross watcher with some other sun sign completely. If you are drawn to this video, then definitely you may have a message in this video, okay? So guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always book your readings with me. My website address is mentioned here on the screen. You can connect to me there, or you can connect to me in my Instagram. The link is given below in the description box. If you have any queries, you can write it to me there. Alright guys, keep in mind that I post videos in English in this channel, but very rarely I do post a video in Hindi, but very rarely. Okay, so if ever you come across a video in Hindi in this channel, don't get confused. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's coming up for you Scorpios and those of you who are watching this video. In your love life, guys, keep in mind that if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies as it suits you. All right, so let's see. This is for my Scorpios. Okay, the first two cards. All right, Eight of Wands and the Lovers, Justice and Five of Cups. Scorpios, you feel that things have not been fair for you. You're seeking justice. You feel that you have invested a lot in some things in the past. Now this could be career, love, I don't know. I'm going to pull out all the cards and then start your reading. But you feel that things have not been fair to with you. You're missing someone badly. All right. And yeah, you are stuck with some memories. Like there is something that you're thinking again and again and again. Like there's something that you're stuck with. You can't get those things out of your head. Like, yeah, we have the Queen of Pentacles and Tower. Something that you are very close to, very possessive about. Things have ended somewhere. Some things have ended in your life, Scorpio. There has been an awakening internally. Like there was some realizations that happened all of a sudden, okay, because of which now your focus is career. You have realized that like you have got some clarity about something in your life. This could be anything in your career, in your love life, general life, could be anything, but you've got some clarity all of a sudden. Okay, you thought something else and something else happened. Okay, I see that energy. It is like getting clarity over a situation. This could be any aspect of your life, your career, love life, general life, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. What do we have for my Scorpio? Give me a message. Okay, the Moon. We have the Knight of Wands. What is this? Oh my God, Three of Swords. High Priestess. Okay, I've got exactly so many cards. I'll take Nine of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, 9 together, and Six of Wands. Okay, bottom of the, oh my God, I have the Tower again. Some major awakening, some realizations, your beliefs being shattered, like something has happened majorly. Let's see. Scorpio, what has happened is Now this is connected to your, just a sec guys, sorry guys, I had a call. So Scorpio, what has happened is, Scorpio, I feel that you are madly in love with somebody. There is no doubt it is a divine connection, but this person broke your heart. They literally broke your heart. I don't know, this person took you for granted. This person took you for granted. They had a lot of secrets. This person has been hiding things from you. You were put in a third party situation. Some of you, not all, but yes, some of you were put in a third party situation. Now you have reached a place, Scorpios, where you are kind of done with this person somehow. Not that you don't love this person, you still have love left for this person, but like you're tired now, you're defeated, you don't have much to give to this person anymore. Okay, I also feel, guys, that this person is somebody who did ignore you. Like all of a sudden you must have noticed that this person went silent. They treated you as an option. Yeah, this person is somebody who has love for you, I don't deny it. Okay, could be toxic love for some of you. This person is there, then they are not there. You don't have clarity as to what do this person want. One day they'll be there with you and the other day they are not there, they are gone. Okay, that energy where they are there with you sometimes, but then they ghost you all of a sudden. Like they are not consistent in this relationship, and you are tired of putting in efforts in this relationship. Like you're done, you're almost on a verge of giving up. Okay, kind of given up internally. You are in pain, like this person has disappointed you, but this person is not happy. Like after disappointing you, they themselves, they're not happy. This person wants a fresh new beginning with you. They want a second chance with you. I don't know now whether all of you will give them a second chance, because some of you, I think you are done. Like you don't want them, like you just want to close this chapter, like okay. But for the others of you, you may land up giving them one chance. But this person is somebody, I don't know if they will change or not. This person is serious for you, I don't deny it. They are serious for you. You both are somehow attached to each other, like on a soul level. We have the lovers here with the devil here, so you both are attached on a soul level. So things are going to be difficult. Okay, some of you, maybe, I don't know, this person, let's see, what does this person want? Queen of Swords. Yeah, this person has been cold. This person has been cold towards you. This person has been hiding some secrets also. Okay, they have some secrets and they fear, what if their secrets are revealed to you? They don't want their secrets to be revealed to you. This person has some secrets. This person has definitely disappointed you. This person is hiding something. They want to come back and apologize, make it work. But I think, you know what, you feel that this person did so much for you. They flooded you with calls, messages, gifts, okay, in the past, and all of a sudden, just gone. All of a sudden, they went silent. They went cold. Okay. What has happened? What's the issue? Three of Pentacles. I was not sure about the third party in the past. When I just started, I was not sure. I thought this third party could be career. But yes, for some of you, this was a third party, because of which this person did put you on hold, or they were not paying attention to you as much as they were in the past. Okay, you were like, where is my person gone? This person, see, they want marriage with you for sure. This person wants marriage with you for sure. I don't deny it. This person loves you a lot. Okay, you are their priority for sure. But the only thing that I see here is, guys, this person is struggling with their own internal mess. Okay, I see that. And this person is somebody who has realized your value over time. They have realized your value, and they are very much attached to you. I mean, I don't know, even if you try going away, they won't leave you so easily. But I don't see you very happy also. Like, I don't know, you have a choice. Now this is a general reading. Some of you, you may move away from this person. Okay, I do see you. See, this is like a tower. Like, look at this, what I said. I have mixed answers here. Some of you, you may just end and move forward in life, or you have just moved on already. Okay, with the Three of Swords. Some of you, you may have moved on already, Three of Swords with the Tower. But the others of you, you may land up giving them a chance, like judgment, because this person is coming back to you. You know, I see this person leaving somebody else for you. Okay, this person may leave a karmic for you. Okay, could be that you are in relationship with somebody who may leave a karmic to be with you. That is also something that I see here. Okay, this person is with somebody else, but they may land up leaving that person, third party, for you. I don't see a strong third party in this reading. Oh my god, Nine of Swords twice. Whoever you're dealing with, guys, this person is not happy. They are missing you. Like, they are being haunted by your thoughts. They are having a tough time. How much ever they try not to think about you, this person is being haunted by your thoughts. Reason being, this is a divine connection, and I've always believed, when it's a divine connection, if it's God who has brought you both together, nobody else can break it. Until unless this is a karmic, like you're done with this person, you don't want to be with this person, then it's a different case. Like, you have moved on, you don't want this person. Some of you, you definitely could be dealing with a toxic person. Okay, I see a toxic person also. Like, could be I don't know, I'm getting this message again and again. I tried not telling you this, but I hear this word narcissistic behavior again and again. I tried not telling you this before, but I'm hearing this again and again. Narcissist. Okay, could be that you're dealing with a narcissist. Some of you, not all of you, because of which this is like an ongoing process. They hurt you, then they come back to you, then they say sorry, then you forgive them, then they are back to square one, they again hurt you, then they try working out with you, they come back, say sorry. This is like an ongoing process, and you have been in this since a year or 2 or 3 years, or maybe many years for some of you, and you're like done. You know, you're done. Some of you, I think you may be moving on. Okay, you don't want this person anymore in your life. Okay, you feel that you have done so much for this person. There has never been an equal give and take in this relationship, and you're done putting efforts. You don't have any more energy to invest on this person. Like, you're tired. I see you literally tired, exhausted. I don't know, I see you disappointed, Scorpios. I don't know why. Disappointed in a big way. Okay, some major transformations happening in your life, Scorpios. Major transformations. Many of you, I think you may have ended a relationship. This could be a divorce. You guys are going through that process, or you're going to go through in the future. Okay, let's see what else. You know what, you may land up giving this person a second chance, Scorpio, but this is like an ongoing process. You will be disappointed again, and you are like, I'm tired, you know, I don't want to be in this relationship anymore. Let's see, what do you want, Scorpios? We'll see what you want. Six of Swords. Some of you, you may give them a second chance. Okay, you may give them a second chance. As I said, I have two energies here. Some of you, you may land up giving them a second chance, but the others of you, I think a karmic may end in your life. Like, you may end a karmic and move towards somebody else. Alright, some of you, I see you have two choices in your life. You definitely have two choices. Like, you may end a karmic with a soulmate to be with somebody else. Okay, This is what you want. If you are expecting this person to come back, yes, they are coming back. They are not going anywhere. I said this person is attached to you. They won't leave you so easily. Like, okay, if you have been in a strong committed relationship, right, when I said, see, this is what they know that you are an emperor. They won't leave you so easily. They are attached to you. They know that, oh my god, judgment twice. Oh my god, Chariot here, look at this, judgment twice. Reconfirmation. Some of you, I think you're going to give this person a second chance and work on this relationship. Okay, but for some of you, this could be that you want to end things. Like, you may be having a desire to end a karmic, to be with a new person. As I said, you have two choices. Like, you may leave a past person to be with this new person. Okay, some of you may be thinking like you've been getting all toxic people in your life. Why? Like, you ended a relationship with a toxic person and again you'll end up being with a toxic, you know. Of course, this may be lesser to the past one, but still this person is somebody. Oh my god, yeah, 10 of Swords. You feel cheated, to Scorpios. You literally feel cheated. Now the ball is in your court, because you know I am having mixed answers here. Some of you, you're going to give this person a second chance because you love this person a lot. Okay, for the others of you, I don't know, I feel that you're going to move on. Like, you're going to pick up all the broken pieces and move on in life towards a new chapter, new life. All right, let's see what's coming up for my Scorpios. What's coming up for my Scorpios? But one thing is for sure, Scorpio, whoever you're dealing with, okay, this toxic person, this person who may have cheated on you, betrayed you, left you, okay, juggled you, this person wants to come back because they know that you are everything for them. They are not going to leave you so early. All right, this person is attached to you emotionally, mentally, physically, whichever way you say it, but they are attached to you. They won't leave you so early. All right, yes, meanwhile, like, there may be a break in this relationship temporarily, but then they are going to come back. Okay, they are coming back. All right, this person is coming back to make things work with you for sure. And this person is focusing on their career right now. This person is focusing on their career. You know, one thing is bothering this person. They see you doing good in life. They feel that you're moving on in life. Like, this person literally feels that, what if my Scorpio has somebody else in their life? They fear losing you, Scorpios. Okay, this person fears losing you. They are worried, what if you move on? Like, if they don't take a step so early, what if you move on? So they are worried about that also. They are seeing you very independent. They are seeing you do good without them. All right, so let's see what's coming up for you. Knight of Swords. How else do you want me to prove? This person is not going to leave you so early. Okay, not so early. Like, I see a reconciliation in this reading. Like, you guys are going to come back together because it's a divine connection. And this is like an ongoing process. Like, you know, you fight, you come back, you fight, you come back. Okay, I see that. King of Pentacles. Some of you, you're going to have a new option in your life. Somebody new who's going to come back in your life. Okay, who will help you overcome this trauma. Oh my god, right when I said the Star, Moon and King of Pentacles. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius. We have the Pisces here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you, I think there is a new person who's going to come in your life very soon. This person is going to come and help you financially. This could be, they may support you emotionally, financially. This person will help you heal your trauma. Like, some of you, you are literally moving on. Okay, you have moved on or you're moving on, whatever it is. I see this person coming back to help you, to support you in your tough time. Okay, you're meeting a new person for sure. Okay, this could be a Taurus, or you may have met, like, you already have met this person who is there with you to help you, support you. Okay, What next? Knight of Pentacles. See, this person is waiting. They want to come and offer you, but this person feels that you are not in a good mind frame. You're healing emotionally, mentally, so they feel that the time is not right. Like you, some of you definitely have somebody who wants to marry you. Now this is like a strong commitment, but this person is waiting for the right time. They feel that you are still not done with somebody else, and which is why this person is holding on. They're going to heal you emotionally. This person is somebody who will help you heal emotionally, mentally, physically. They may help you financially. Okay, you may be dealing with somebody who is financially well off. Okay, this person is financially well off. Like you may meet this person who is financially very stable in life. Let's see. Page of Swords. Some of you, especially if you're single, you're being asked to explore. Don't stay stuck and don't block yourself internally. Don't stay stuck with a past person. Some of you, if you're single, you're choosing to move on in life. You're being asked to explore people around you. Like you're trying to block yourself. You don't want to go meet people. You are in a shell. You have isolated yourself. This is not where you have to be. You have to move on in life, Scorpio. Especially if you're single and you've moved on from a relationship already. You're being asked to go forward in life, know new people, meet new people. Unless you go out and explore, how will you find the right person, Scorpios? Okay, you have to go explore. The world doesn't end if one person leaves you. If one relationship doesn't work, it doesn't mean that the world has ended. Okay, if one relationship didn't work, it doesn't mean that you will never find your Mr. Right or Miss Right. You will find your true love. You will find a divine connection, provided you are open to receiving new love in life, provided you are there out, you talk to people, you meet people. So don't hesitate. Oh my God, Queen of Wands. Yeah, right when I said go, meet, open up, we have the Queen. Be in your power, Scorpios. Okay, especially if you are a feminine, don't stay stuck with somebody who just didn't treat you right. I don't know, while talking to you, I'm getting it again and again, this word, narcissist. Some of you literally were dealing with a narcissist. I usually don't get this word again, but I'm hearing it again and again and again. Like I tried not to use this word today, but I just cannot control using it. Like some of you literally were dealing with a manipulative person, somebody who tried to control you in your past, somebody who tried to put you down always, somebody who just didn't treat you right in your past, somebody who never cared like what you feel, how you feel. They just took you for a ride. Like, and finally you're choosing to leave this person and move on in life. Some of you, yeah, this is there for some of you for sure. Like now you have realized your self-worth and you're choosing to focus on your own self, and you're doing good. Okay, you're doing good. See, you are in your power. Some of you are well off, like you're financially doing very good in life already. You are in your power. Okay, so let's see if we have any message for you, Scorpios. Any message for my Scorpios here, please? Singles, you're being asked to go explore. Don't stay stuck with the past person. Okay, oh my God. Oh shit, look at this. We have the Knight of Cups. We have the Lovers in reverse. Okay, there's one more card that has fallen down. Just a sec. This card is Five of Swords in reverse. Okay, now what are these three cards trying to tell me? Is there is somebody, didn't I just say there is somebody? Guys, you have an option. Like some of you literally have somebody who is waiting for you. Like this person is waiting for you to heal, come out of a past trauma that you have already been in, and they want to offer you this cup, but like you are resisting. Reason being, you know what, you feel that what if this person also turns out to be the same like what you have been through already. You are not sure like you have love, like you may have feelings for this person, but like you're trying to hold on. You feel, what if this person also hurts you the way the other person did in your past? Like you're not ready to trust this relationship. This is a divine commitment that has come. See, lovers and lovers, no joke, it is like universe is trying to tell you that this new person who has been sent in your life as a king of pentacles, this is a divine commitment that has come your way, but like you're not paying attention to this person. Reason being, you feel, what if this person also turns out to be the same? Okay, or what if this person also turns out to be the one who hurts you, or the one who is not right for you? So you are very guarded, like you're not opening up to the opportunities that are there in your life right now, Scorpios. Okay, you're being asked to open up. Don't stay stuck with a past person, the one who didn't treat you right. Just because one relationship didn't work out, it doesn't mean all your relationship won't work out. Sometimes you have to go through some failed relationships so that we learn things from those people. Okay, we learn things from those people. We gain experience by being in some wrong relationships. We always gain experiences. Even if you have been in some wrong relationships, doesn't matter. Either they taught you something or you taught them something, and your karma got cleared with that person. Chapter over, move on. Okay, so have faith, guys. These three cards are trying to tell you, have faith. Just because one relationship didn't work, or 2 or 3 relationships didn't work in the past, that doesn't mean all your relationships will not work in the future. Okay, any which ways, nothing is permanent on this earth. Okay, every relationship comes with a time span, so why not just enjoy the process while you are with this person. So some of you're being asked to focus on this person, like there is a commitment, strong commitment that's waiting in your life. You're being asked to focus on this person. Okay, don't put them down. I see you not paying attention to this person, like you're trying to ignore this person. Oh my god, right when I said King of Wands in reverse, look at this. Maybe not one, you have two options, not just one, you have two options, Scorpios, but you are like, no, you're trying to push them away. Okay, so let's see what messages do we have for you from this deck. We'll see what messages do we have for you from this deck. Any message for my Scorpios? As far as your finances are concerned, I don't know, I was getting this message internally again and again, so I checked this. I think some of you're going through a very tough time financially. Okay, and you're very disappointed and heartbroken over some things, maybe a loss that you have been through in your career, I don't know, but I'm getting this message again and again, so I just thought, okay, so don't worry, your finances are going to improve very soon, matter of time. Okay, this is a temporary phase, your finances are going to improve. Forgiving and learning. Okay, didn't I say I have two situations in this reading? Bottom of the deck, let go of control issues. Yeah, some of you are still holding on to a past person, like you're trying to save a relationship. You're very much worried about what will happen, will this work, like you're trying to do your best. Okay, as I said, you're focusing on career, but at the same time you're stuck with this person, you're disappointed, you're trying to hold somebody back in spite of things getting over between both of you, like you're trying to save a relationship which is heading towards an end. Alright, so this message is trying to reconfirm, let go of control issues, don't try to control a situation. Whatever will happen for your own good. trust universe. Okay, some of you, see, you're being asked to forgive and move on. Like somebody just didn't treat you right, forgive this person and move on in life. Okay, maybe there are some chapters which were destined to end. This person who did treat you wrong, like they did hurt you, whatever, you're being asked to forgive and move on. Okay, some of you, as I said, this person is going to come back, they're going to apologize. This person has immense feeling. Now this could be for a past person also who's coming back. As I said, this person is possessive, they won't leave you early. Of course you have a choice. And for others of you, this is this new connection, like you have two options, like you have two kings or two queens in your life. You know, they have immense love for you. Now you have a choice, what do you want to do, who do you choose? Okay, let's see what message do we have for you, Scorpios. Okay, the first is, don't let pride get in your way. See, there is this person who is going to come and apologize, Scorpio. I told you, there is this person you are involved with. Maybe you're married to this person. This could be a long-term stable connection. The one who didn't treat you right, the one, you know, who hurt you in whichever way, I don't know. But this person didn't put effort. This person is coming back with an apology. We have the Six of Cups, Page of Cups. So if this person comes back, you can give them a chance, because you remember I had the Judgment twice here. So definitely I think some of you are going to give them a chance for sure. Okay, and don't try to control the situation. Maybe, you know, I don't know, I'm getting this message internally, Scorpios. You're being asked to accept this person. If you really love this person and they come back with an apology, and if you want to give them a chance, accept this person for whoever they are. Okay, we cannot change people, we can never change people, how much ever we try. Yes, we can educate them, but changing them is not in our hands, it is in God's hand. Universe will teach them some lessons in their own way, and this person will change with time. Okay, so you're being asked to let go of control issues. Where did this message go? I had this message here, let go. So you're being asked to release the expectations that you have from this person. This person has immense love for you. They will change with time, Scorpios. Okay, this person will change with time. See, we all go through some lessons in our life. The day this person goes through their own lessons, they will change with time, no problem. All right, if this person comes and approaches you, you're being asked to forgive them and move on. Like either with them, give them a second chance, or move on with this new person, whoever. But at least there's no harm in being cordial with somebody, right? There's no harm in being friendly with somebody. But I don't know, somehow I feel that you're going to accept them. You're going to accept them because you have immense love for this person. You're going to accept them. All right. What else? What else? I think luck is on your side. Some of you, there will be some major changes in your life. Some major changes, like a bad period, a dark period is going to get over, and you are heading towards a bright future, like reconciliation with this person. You've been waiting for this person since a long time. Things are going to happen for you. You're going to be in a happy space very soon, Scorpios. This could be with a past person, or this could be with this new person, whoever it is, but things are going to work in your favor. And if you haven't already met this person, they are coming. Okay, if some of you, if you've not met this person already, they are coming in your life very soon. As I said, some major transformations in your life, Scorpios. Okay, so you are going to be in a happy space soon. It will take time, you'll have to have patience, but it is happening for sure. Like, see, universe is stepping in to do things for you. You see the angels, and there is one more here. Okay, angels are by your side, universe is by your side, God is by your side. Like whatever you wished for in life, you're going to get that. You just have to have some patience. You're being asked to be patient, okay? Things are going to turn in your favor very soon, Scorpios. Be it with this past person, be with this new person, whatever it is, alright, you will be happy. Oh my god, believe in the impossible. This was at the bottom of this deck. See, some of you, you've literally lost faith. You remember when I started this reading, I had seen two cards. I said that you're missing somebody, you're sad about a situation, you have lost hope, Scorpios. Okay, some of you, you have lost hope. You feel that, oh, you know, I'm already 30, I'm already 50, I'm already 70, will I even find now? No, just believe in the impossible. Don't lose faith, okay? Right when you think things are impossible, that's when miracle happens, okay? So have faith, have trust in your God, in whoever you pray to, you connect to. Universe is there by your side, God is there by your side to help you, protect you, and make things work for you, okay? So just be happy, enjoy your life. Things will turn in your favor. You will be in a happy space very soon, Scorpio, okay? So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. And that was that. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, be safe, bye.